not subscribe after seeing that? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe to us. We post.
Click the red button.
The red button, the red subscribe button. We post a lot. And we got some really cool videos coming up. Oh. Alrighty. Anyway, my kids go to the bathroom all the time. All the time. Yeah?
He's done. See, that took like 2 minutes. We took like 2 minutes.
Okay. What?
Hi guys, today's church tomorrow.
No, today it's not church.
Today's tomorrow.
It's Tuesday. Some
And
people have church.
today's a birthday.
Today's not a birthday. I'm gonna get you.
Today's is my birthday in church. Today's my birthday in church.
No, we do have a baseball game today.
Woo! A big birthday. Church. It's my birthday church.
You're not telling the truth.
And Jesus' birthday church.
Oh, Jesus' birthday.
And birthday.
Okay, guys, so we had a slight change of plans. Instead of going to Liliana's baseball game, she's skipping. But we are going to go to my niece's and nephew award ceremony. I'm really excited because usually they get tons of awards for their schooling. They're so talented and smart, and they really give it their all and their best, and the kids love seeing them and the other kids at their school, so I'm really excited about that. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog some of it and you'll be able to see it too. We'll see you then. Okay, so it's really loud here. I decided to keep my nieces and nephew to stay the night. So we have 6 kids here. Woo! So tell me what you got awarded for.
I got a scripture award and I got a certificate, and it said that one of my traits were being, I forget what the word was, but she said I was very joyful.
And encouraging, I think, uplifting.
Yeah.
And she was always a joy to have in class.
Yeah,
And
it was
then-
a word that meant all those things.
Yep, and Miss Madison's is Friday.
Her awards are Friday.
Malachi, tell everybody what you got awarded for.
My traits were bravery and
Strong.
humorous.
Oh, was it? I thought it was strong. And then she said he
And,
always tells jokes. Tell us a joke.
I gotta think of
Trying to think of one. You guys, I lost a tooth.
Anyway, he got a scripture award also.
How much of Thanksgiving dinner does the olive eat?
That's not one I made up.
Yes, it's not one you made up, but it's a joke. You asked for a joke. He ate all of it.
Yeah, it fall down to
All of it.
That was pretty funny, actually. That was so silly. It was funny. Charlie, did you have a good day today?
Show the people what
You have a good day today? Yeah. So Wednesday or Thursday is your last day of school?
Practically, they say it's Friday, but for us, it's practically like.
Look at this kid.
Because
He's so tired.
he's a screaming child.
Oh my gosh, the grilled cheese. No.
Everybody, the grilled cheese is burnt. That's what you get for vlogging. Don't vlog while you're baking grilled cheese.
Bye guys.